Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Today I'm showing you how to install a graphics card. Okay, first you need to remove the side panel, which I have already done. Then you need to remove this bracket, which sometimes is a clip. It can be a clip, it can be a bracket, it can have screws, it can be like a plastic thing going over something, but yeah, we need to unscrew. Now I have removed the screws, so now we just take it up like that. Then we take our graphics card, we try to line it up with the slots and everything. And when we've got it lined up, we press it down. And then it should be in place. So then we need to take the power cable and we take the power cable on the power slot. And then you have installed your graphics card. Quick reminder, don't forget to take your clip back on.